Welcome again to my tutorial video on how you can easily copy trade on uTrading right now. Try to subscribe, like, follow, comment below. Let me know which country are you watching from this on this particular video. So it's very simple to understand this particular copy trading. You are not doing anything. Everything here is automated and all your capital remains safe on your Binance, KuCoin, Bybit account. This video based on educational purpose, not for financial advisor. So try to watch this video to the end and comment, like, subscribe. Let's just go straight to the point. The first thing you need to do, make sure you already connect your API and everything and try to go to get your uGas. You come to this particular asset area to get your uGas and make sure you click on this particular store area to get your uGas. Is very important because the uGas will allow the boat to run faster, and there are different way of uGas you can buy, you can get. So the one we normally recommend, for for a faster speed of the boat is the one of this particular one, which is the one I go for when I start around 540. That's the one that will give you a lot of trading speed to copy this particular strategy. All right, it's very important. So once you get your uGas and everything finished, all what you need to do right now is to just come to this particular area. All right, to come to this trade. You can see you come to this particular trade area. You can see down below. So when you come to that area, you're gonna see something like automated and everything here. All right, so you are not going to go to that area. All right, so what you need to do right when you come to this particular area is to just come to click on this area. Let me show you that area very well. You come to this particular area called synchronized. That particular where I pointed, synchronized, that is the area you are going to click. When you click on synchronize, it's very important. Make sure your account is I am a follower. All right, I am a follower. That is what you need to go for. All right, because you want to follow someone, and you can see. And what you need to do right now, your account can be on this particular icon. Subscribe. No, you have to just make sure your account to be on private. All right, to be on private, to click on private to get that particular copy trading strategy from me. All right, you click on this private, so you can see your account is now on what's on private. Just follow the step, don't do any single mistake. It's very important to follow our signal rightly. So right now when you do that, you have to just click on this particular area. All right, you click on enter your synchronized ID follow. I will now paste the ID right now so that you guys can see. I will now paste the ID. Right, let me just go and paste the let me just copy and paste the ID right. All right, you can see right now I'll just paste that particular ID right now here. Paste. You can see the ID is 57568534. I'll put the ID under the comment section, including the description of this video, so that you guys can get the accurate setting, accurate setup to follow the right person. Don't do single mistake. Don't do single mistake, guys. Then you click on this next. All right, you can see the and you can also see the performance so far. You can see on this account of my brothers, 1,005, 12, $8.51. All right, you see performance 86, 102, like that, 230. You can see these are the performances right on this. Let me show you river so you can see it very clearly. You can see 230 here, 100 here, small like that. We didn't gamble here. We follow the strategy, we follow the right setting before we can start launching the trade. And you can see so far here we make right here, you can see on this date, small like that. So you are going to be getting the setup. You can see right now. So once you do the once you are insert the ID, then you need to make sure to click on this subscribe right now. You click on this subscribe button down below here. It's very important to come to this subscribe button, to click on this subscribe, all right, button here. So once you click on subscribe, you are going to see something like this. You can copy the trade for either 365 days for just what, for just about 150. You can go for 90 days for just $100. You can go for this 30 days for just $50. It's very, very important to follow the strategy. It's very, very important. You can either go for 30 days if you don't have enough on this as a beginner. So to trust on the strategy, you can go for 90 days. You can go for just, you can just choose the one that prefer you. If you want to get it started, you can just make sure to, to just follow a strategy you are going to. All right, you can just pick the one you like. So if we, well, at least you can go for at least 30 days consistently. All right, then before you come to this area, you need to just make sure to fund your account. Let me show you. You need to just fund your account first before you come to assets. You need to just make sure to come to this area to fund your what, to USDT account. All right, you click on fund, then you click on this USDT recommended, and you see you can select BEP20, anyone you like. Next step, then you copy the wallet address given to you here to fund. All right, to fund your account. Is very, very amazing. So once you fund your account successfully, the money will be appear on your account on this particular area. You can see on this particular area. So once you do that, just go back to that particular trade. Then you click, you insert the what, the what, all right, private. Then you come to subscribe. Then you go for either for 150 for 365 days, all right, or for this one. So anyone you like out of this, either this one, either this one. Then you now come to subscribe. You now subscribe. Then automatically your trade will start automatically synchronized to start copying our trade successfully. If you enjoyed this video so far, try to subscribe, like, share this video to all your friends. This is a very simple way on how you can just subscribe, all right, and start copying. Let me just show you the profits on this account generated. All right, so far you can see on this account so far. All right, you can see little by little, for just, little by little, we are still getting results. Can you see on this particular account? So thank you guys for watching the video. Try to subscribe, like, share this video to all your followers, to all your friends. See you guys in my next comment video.